Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant graphics driver crashed. Make sure that your graphics driver are up to date on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, make sure that your graphic drivers are up to date. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just right click on your start menu, then click on device manager. Here you have to select your display adapter, expand it, right click on your graphic driver, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drives, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, select your graphic driver, then click on next. Just click on close and close this window and press Windows plus R key. Here you have to type %. Local app data hit enter. Here you need to find the Valorant folder. I had not installed the Valorant, so it's not showing here. After finding the Valorant folder, open that folder. After that you will find saved folder. You have to open that folder. After that you will find config. What you have to do, just open that config folder. In that you will find crash report client folder. You have to just delete that crash report client folder. After deleting, just restart your PC. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant graphic driver crashed. Make sure your graphic driver are up to date on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.